In this video, I want to talk about how you can hide the candles inside of TradingView. Now, I'll quickly show you a few ways that you can do this. So let's just get straight into it. First, you want to make sure you go to your super charts. And as you can see, I have some candles on here. Now, if I want to hide these, what I can do is I can select the candle icon up here. And instead of using candles, I can use something else. So if I select a line, you will see there are no longer the candles and it will just be lines instead. So you can play around with these. You can also select area, and you'll also select columns, which are basically some other kind of candles, but columns instead of the normal candles. And you can just play around with these and select the ones that you like the most. And just keep in mind that these, some of them are for the upgraded version, but you can see that especially the line one will get rid of the candles completely, and you can just play around with these until you find the one that you like. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.